Guangdong Himinsen Technology Co., Limited. It is located in Guangming District, Shenzhen, Guangdong, the capital of science and technology. We are committed to providing professional equipment services for many excellent manufacturers and secondary public enterprises in the field of new energy electric vehicles, and won the recognition of the industry's leading customers. It is a research and development of metal welding equipment for ultrasonic wire harness welding, manufacturing, sales and service as one of the high-tech enterprises. Himinsen products have been widely used in new energy vehicles, aerospace, data transmission, medical equipment, battery industry, home appliances, and other fields. At the beginning of 2023, Jiangsu Changzhou office was officially established. Provide the most rapid response after sales technical service package for customers in East China, Central China, North China, and other regions. The core members of the Himinsen team have more than 20 years of experience in the development of ultrasonic core components and realize the mass production delivery, sales, Directional Technical Services is one of the independent brand chain. It has established an advanced R&D team with cross-border linkage in mechanical automation, biology, electricity, materials science, heat treatment, etc. With the concept of industry service innovation and strong technical research and development capabilities. Rapid research and development according to the needs of customers in the market. A new generation of ultrasonic welding equipment was launched. Compared with imported first-line ultrasonic welding brands of the same level, Himinsen's advantages are localization cost, inventory strength, delivery capacity, and quick response after sales service. Let many users experience the most professional and reliable service at an affordable price. Himinsen's corporate vision: make welding easier and connection safer. Himinsen adheres to the principle of paying attention to customer difficulties and providing high-quality solutions. The brand business philosophy of creating value for customers. Continuous research on ultrasonic welding technology. Thoughtful and meticulous service has established a good reputation in the industry. Become a leading manufacturer and service provider of ultrasonic equipment. Himinsen firmly believes that quality comes from innovation and customer trust. Only by focusing and single-mindedness can we do a good job in branding, make welding easier and make connections safer.